Good everyone. Now, I want to simplify x plus 2 all raised power 3 minus x raised power 3. Now, this is in the form of difference of two cubes. Difference of two cubes. That is, we can rewrite this as this. A raised power 3 minus b raised power 3, which is equals to a minus b all raised power 3 plus 3ab into bracket of a minus b. Now, stay to the end of this video. I'm still going to show you how I got this formula to solve this expression. Now, x plus 2 will be my a. My a is going to be x plus 2, while my b is going to be my x. Now, I will just substitute it here. I will substitute it there. So I'm going to have, anywhere I see a, I'm going to put x plus 2 minus b. My b is x, all raised power what? All raised power 3 plus 3 into bracket of my a is what? X plus 2. X plus 2 multiplied by b, which is my x. Then multiply by a minus b. My a is x plus 2 minus x. That is my b. Now, x we cancel all this. This we still cancel all this. Now, my a cubed minus b cubed now, that is this now. I want to simplify it. That is, we are going to have, this will be 2 raised power 3 plus 3 multiplied by x times x will give me x squared here. Then plus 2 times x will give me what? 2x. I'm going to have this. Don't forget, we still have 2 left here. Now 2 times 3 will give me 6. So I'm going to have 8 plus 6 into bracket of x raised power 2 plus 2x. So I'm going to have 8 plus, I will expand this, 6x squared plus 12x. Now let me write it very well. This is a quadratic. 6x squared plus 12x, then plus 8. Now I'll simplify it. I'll simplify this. Now let me show you how I got this guy. Now, the bone of contention of this difference of two cube is by expanding a basic binomial. Yes. And what do you understand by basic binomial? That is, we have this a minus b raised power 3. We give us, let's expand this. We can as well use Pascal triangle, but let's expand this. We have it as a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. Now, this will give me a times a will give me a squared. A times minus b will give me minus ab. This will give me minus ab. Then this will give me plus what? Plus b squared. Now, all into brackets of a minus b. Now, a raised power 2 minus ab minus ab will give me minus 2ab plus b squared. Then multiply by a minus b. Now, I'm going to have, let me expand this out. A squared multiplied by a will give me a raised power 3. A squared multiplied by minus b will give me minus a squared b. Minus 2ab multiplied by a will give me minus 2a squared b. Minus 2ab multiplied by minus b will give me plus 2ab squared. Then plus b squared multiplied by a will give me plus ab squared. Then plus times minus will give me minus b times b squared will give me b raised power 3. Don't forget, we still have a minus b raised power 3 is equals to all this. Now, let us collect the like times there. A raised power 3 minus a squared b minus 2a squared b will give me minus 3a squared b. Now, plus 2ab squared plus ab squared will give me plus 3ab squared, then minus b squared. Now, we now have a raised power 3 minus b raised power 3. What is common here? minus 3ab is common. We are left with what here? A minus, because minus 3ab multiplied by a will give me minus 3ab squared b. Then minus times minus will give me plus. What is left here? B. Now, don't forget that we have a minus b all raised to power 3, which is equals to all this. Now, since we are looking for a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, how I got this formula here, I will just make this subject of formula, that is a3 minus b raised to power 3 is equals to now this a minus b raised to power 3. I'm taking this in, so it will change to plus 3ab into brackets of a minus b. So that is how we got that. Then we can simplify it further. Either we use this, or because we have two difference of two formula for difference of two cubes, we can simplify it further. Either I use this or I simplify it further. I can simplify this further by saying, if I have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, what is common here? That is, my a minus b is common. A minus b is common. So I'm going to write it out. A minus b is common. What is left here? I'm having a minus b all squared, then plus 3ab. I'm having this. If I should expand this, I will have this. If I should multiply this by this, I will have this back. Now, a minus b into brackets, I can expand this. If I should expand this, I'm going to have a minus b, then plus 3ab. I'm going to have this. Now, let me expand this. I'm going to have a minus b into brackets of a times a is a squared. Then a times b will give me minus ab. Then minus b times a will give me minus ab as well. Then minus times minus, that will be plus b times b, that will be b squared. A plus 3ab. I'm going to have this. Now, a minus b into brackets of a squared minus ab will give me minus 2ab, then plus b squared plus 3ab. Now, I now have 2ab, 3ab. I can collect the like times there. Minus 2ab plus 2ab, that will be ab. So, I'm going to have a minus b into brackets of a squared plus ab plus b squared plus b squared. So I can as well use this to solve this expression. I will still get the same answer.